Kabayan, my name is Salve Evangelista Silva at isa po tayong OFW nurse sa Qatar for 12 years at naninirahan na rin dito kasama ang aking pamilya. And I am someone noon na naghahanap ng opportunity wherein kayang magpag-grow ng aking finances. And while scrolling nga sa Facebook, during my free time, nakita ko ang opportunity na to at na-witness ko talaga na sobrang daming OFWs ang kumikita dito. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not try yung ganitong opportunity? And as someone as full-time mom and a full-time nurse, sobrang laki talaga ng responsibilidad natin, and a single source of income ay hindi talaga sapat. So, nag-decide talaga akong subukan ang opportunity na to, and I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed kasi kumita na rin tayo dito ng 89,400 wherein sa pagiging nurse ko, hindi ko yun kikitain agad in just a short period of time. So, if you're someone na naghahanap ng ganitong opportunity, you can do this as well anytime, anywhere during your free time kasi we have the system, we have the tools, plus we have the mentors. Sobrang grateful ako kasi kahit nandito ako sa ibang bansa, kaya niya akong ma-guide sa negosyo na to at tuloy-tuloy ang negosyo kasi everything is online. So, if you're willing to do this, you can message her now para ikaw naman ang matulungan ng opportunity na to.